Here we're going to try to fix a power brick from a Surface 4 Pro. Originally this is a Surface 3 Pro power brick. This was failing, so they put this tape to to ease the work on the cable pulling. So let's remove that. This is like a solid box with a lid on it. The edges are pretty tiny. So it's gonna be hard to get into that part. Let's try. No, I mean, we can open it, but we're gonna break the whole lid of the box. So what I'm guessing is I'm just gonna cut the cable somewhere here, which is usually the damaged area within. So we're gonna replace this little part. So I'm guessing the easy approach is cut probably half of it. Yeah, somewhere half. Gotta be careful with those knives. It's not a straight line, but we don't want to go too deep. We might hurt some of the inner components, so we just want to be on top of the if we go deeper, we are screwed. We might damage something else. So if we go this far, that will be enough to pull it out. Then we're gonna try to open it from the sides to cut it pretty much, because I'm guessing this thing should have something like this is what I've seen in other Microsoft products. So we have the box here, we have the nipple for the cable, and this lid is right on top of it. and it has some secure locks. I don't know about this one, but that's what I'm guessing. That connects. Okay, so we're not gonna break those secure locks. We're gonna get it. I'm guessing I'm cutting somewhere here to remove this part only. Okay, so let's see if it works. If not, we'll find out. It's getting there. You see the knife is going deeper, but we don't want to go that deep. We don't know what's underneath the lid. I think we did it. Let's get a new blade. Oops. Now we're going to use a small screwdriver to pry it out. Okay. We need to go deeper here.